Hi everyone and welcome to Rabo Sustainability Week. Today in Sustainability Week we are having a lovely cooking session which involves locally produced ingredients, organic, and we have two wonderful ladies here who are going to show us how to use these cooking products and ingredients and cook up a nice vegan meal. So we have Parmita and Ritu, and I think let's have them introduce themselves.
Hello guys. So I'm Parvita and I run a raw vegan kitchen called Prana Kitchen out of the Wellness Institute called Prism Healing Institute. And today with me I have Ritu, who's my sous chef, and she's a trained yoga teacher. So we're going to talk about everything related to veganism, how this can be a lifestyle, how to cultivate compassion.
Super. I think veganism is the theme of the day for this sustainability week. So let's cook up some lovely, delicious vegan recipes.
Lovely, yes, let's get into it. We start with looking at food miles on your plate. So it's always important, whatever dish you're having, it's nice to question where did that food come from? Where was it grown? How far did it travel? And apart from just looking at, if you're looking at a packaged product, you always read like the manufacturer. You can look at this where it was manufactured, who is it exported by, to ensure that you're endorsing eat local. So for us out here in India, it's best to eat produce that's grown on our land. All the ingredients today are from farmer friends across the country. So whether that's North India, whether that's South India, but everything, including chia, which is not native to India. But this is actually grown by Pink Harvest Farms. It grows in Alibag. They grow it in Alibag. Their farms are there. And like this, even though we may use ingredients in our kitchen that are not local to Indian soil, we still ensure that the farmer friends who we are associating with are growing them on Indian land.
So the first dish that they're going to show us is chia pudding. Let's start with a sweet beginning.
Yes.
So could you help us with the ingredients?
Yes, of course. So we're going to be making nut milk to make the chia pudding. So we're going to be using soaked almonds. They are also called activated almonds. As you can see, if you want to taste it, you can taste it. It's crunchier, it's lighter than a dry almond or a roasted almond.
What almond is this?
These are soaked almonds.
Oh,
Yeah.
They're really nice and soft.
Yeah, y'all can even, yeah.
How many hours did you soak it for?
8 hours. Yeah. So different nuts and seeds have different soaking. No, there is local almonds for sure. Yeah. This is the difference that happens in texture when we eat. Whenever you eat a nut or a seed, it should be soaked. All nuts and seeds are in their deactivated or in their hibernation mode. They only activate when you give them water. So that's when they become alive in plant food world. So this is why we've activated them. If you try activating roasted nuts, it's not going to happen. Or roasted seeds, it's not going to happen. So you want to use raw nuts or seeds, soak them overnight. There's a soaking table given to you. Once they are soaked, you can use this to make nut milk. So this is full of life, it's easy to digest. Why am I telling you this? You don't have to, so because we're going to be making nut milk out of this. So this is going to be, see, the fiber will be strained out of it. But yeah, you always want to soak it because normally when they're raw, like something, if I made sunflower seed milk right now with this and just blended it in, there are enzyme inhibitors in all nuts and seeds. So it leads to gas, it leads to bloatiness. So a lot of people who transition on a vegan diet will be like, yeah, but it's so laden with nuts and seeds, it's so calorie dense that I feel very heavy afterwards, I feel very bloaty afterwards. Reason being, you're not using activated nuts or seeds. Be mindful, this will spoil within a day or two. Why? Because it's alive. Why? Because it has all its nutrient value. From the time I will blend it and keep it till tomorrow, till day after, it will start altering in taste. This is also just a food for thought for you all who buy packaged almond milk. That doesn't alter in taste for over a month. And that's also considered vegan and healthy.
So it's preservative,
Yeah. I'm going to put it in a blender. Yeah. 1 cup. And then we're going to use 3 cups of water. That's what the recipe says. But always when you're making nut milk, first start with only half or even 1/4 the quantity of water. Because then you want the nuts to completely pulverize. So use lesser water in the beginning and then you can add that on. So for right now, I'm just going to add 1 cup of water. I'll blend it and then if I want, I'll add more water. Yeah. So it's 1 cup. so much easier to milk this than cows. If anyone's ever tried milking a cow, it's very hard. Yeah. Coming later. Cinnamon or cardamom or any flavor. Oh yeah, you like that? Yeah. Cinnamon. Yeah. And putting in jaggery. A while to coagulate. So I'm just gonna put the chia seeds in this. This is the raw chia seeds. Okay, so this is how it is when it's raw.
There is a thing in India, Indian climate.
Chia. Yeah.
You don't want this to coagulate.
Yeah, like I don't want it to in one cluster. I want the whole milk,
Okay.
it to completely like evenly coagulate. Like, yeah. So ultimately it looks like this, and then we can always use things to decorate, like top it with. So you can put some pomegranate.
Wow, lovely.
You can put in some chia. You can put
like a smoothie bowl. Looks
yeah.
So it's a smoothie consistency.
This is a smoothie consistency.
So finally, the chia pudding is ready. The vegan chia pudding is ready. I'm going to taste it. It looks really nice. It smells and looks nice. Interesting. It doesn't feel like it's almond milk.
Yeah.
There is no. It really feels like regular milk. Lovely. Good. You got to learn a new recipe today. Thanks, girls.
Okay, everyone.
After that delicious chia pudding, we are now making vegan beetroot tikkis.
Yes.
So this is interesting. Are they going to be fried or?
No, they're actually just going to be roasted. You can bake it in the oven as well if you like it. Yeah, and these are completely grain free as well. So there's no grain as well in it. Yeah.
So it will be gluten free naturally.
Gluten free.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because it's grain free.
So those who have gluten intolerance or lactose intolerance, this is the dish.
Potato. You can add green peas, potato, and spinach. So you can go as different varieties as you like.
We are mashing boiled potatoes for the tikkis.
Yeah. And at the same time, I'm going to take the raw beets. The raw beets. So you can take beet. This is raw beet. You are taking grate it.
This is grated, right?
Yeah.
Is this
Yeah.
enough or?
You could do, this is good enough, but you could do a little more if you like. So this one, we're going to empty this. This is measured and it's one beet grated. I'm sauteing this because this is a raw beet. So I'm sauteing this raw beet.
You can even mash it with your hand. I'm using a fork.
Yeah.
For
Yeah,
beet.
this is beet. Along with the beet, I'm avoiding the onion garlic because she doesn't have it. So let's try making a little modification. It still tastes yummy. But ideally,
Semi-gel.
Use onion garlic.
You will saute the onion, garlic, and all of that first, right?
Oh.
You can saute it with this as well because this will cook. We're not using oil, but if you do, then we only suggest using cold pressed coconut oil. So you can use that, but we're going to try avoiding it. Another trick is you can always, when we make the tikkis, we try putting in sesame seeds because they have a lot of oil, so they can. And I would never suggest this if you have a normal clay tawa. That's the best.
This is only beet without any oil.
Yeah, this is beet without it. This is raw beets. We're
And
gonna
if
add
you want
it.
to add onion garlic, first saute the onion garlic and then add the beet.
Yes. And we can add in, now we're adding in the black pepper. So this is freshly cracked black pepper. That's the ginger.
The ginger doesn't go in first.
No, but here, because it's also, we're cooking it all together so that the beets will release some water.
Oh.
And then that will allow for the flavors to be. So then we're going to add in some chili. Yeah. No.
So this smell of the beet will go or it will remain like raw
So,
smell?
no, it will. Once you mix it with the potato, it will go. And we will need some salt, 1 teaspoon.
In this only?
Yeah, we can put it in that one. We can put the salt in that, and the lemon juice always off the gas. We don't tend to put lemon juice on the stove because it becomes acidic. So put it. Yeah, we can add in this mixture that we just made.
Okay, I'll
We
add
can add in some lime juice, and then you can taste it to see if the batter tastes them into small dough balls, and then we pan fry them. When we're pan frying them or pan heating them, it's always nice on the pan to first saute some white or black sesame seeds. What happens is that all nuts and seeds have oil. You get almond oil, you get sesame seed oil, you get sunflower seed oil. All nuts and seeds have oil. So when you saute them, that natural oil is removed. Again, why are we doing that? You can easily buy a store-bought sunflower seed or oil. This is less refined. This is the best time to actually try your dough. See, is it fine? Do you want to make it dry or do you want to make it perfect? The chutney, the mint chutney, for which you can use mint leaves, you can use coriander leaves, whatever flavor you want to use. So we're going to use chopped coconut, we're going to use coriander, I'm going to use jeera, I'm using again whole jeera, yeah. I'm going to use a little bit of jaggery and chilies. So we've added in some chilies, we've added in some, I'm going to add in some jaggery, no honey. And then salt. Yeah.
and lemon.
Yes, lemon juice. And I've not added the salt. So we'll add the salt. And then we're just going to blend this.
Very nice. The coconut chutney is yum.
Yeah.
This is our powder.
And these are those beetroot tikkis with coconut chutney.
Yeah.
No, it's yum. That beetroot tikki with the mint chutney, coriander chutney. Yes. And it is delicious, filling, and healthy, and sustainable. This was a wonderful cooking demo that we got. This is something new that we learned. It is not just learning 2 or 3 new recipes, but it's an entirely new or a different lifestyle that we need to adopt, if those who want to adopt this. And it's really a wonderful, tasty, and it's delicious also. So it's not just like healthy foods are not delicious, they are delicious, and I think they've shown us how to do it. Thank you.